Good morning, children. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics online class. So we are dealing with the unit 2, that is addition and subtraction, and in the last class we have discussed about the frame word problems, then addition and subtraction together, and also we have discussed about the checking subtraction using addition, isn't it, ma? So I hope you did the homework everything. And today we are going to discuss about estimation and rounding off. So in the first lesson itself we have discussed about what is estimation and rounding off, isn't it, ma? So what is estimation? Yes, estimation is making a guess about a value. Okay, what is estimation, ma? Estimation means what? Making a guess about a value rather than finding the exact value. Okay, to finding the exact value, just estimation means what? Making a guess. Okay, making a guess about the value rather than to find the exact value. And what is rounding off? Yes, rounding off help us to have an idea about the result in the problem. Okay, so rounding off will help us to have an idea about what, ma? Result in the problem. I understood what is estimation. Estimation is the making a guess. Okay, making a guess about the value rather than finding the exact value. And rounding off help us to have an idea about the result in the problem. Okay, so we know how to estimate and rounding off the nearest 100 and 1000 and also about 10, isn't it, ma? We have discussed in the first lesson. So look at the first question we have. Estimate the sum of 3297 and 8872 by rounding off to the nearest 100. See, once again, estimate the sum. Okay, we are going to estimate what, ma? We are going to find a sum. Okay, sum means add. Okay, what are numbers we are going to add? That means we are going to add 3297 and 8872 by rounding off to what? Nearest 100. Okay, so first we have to round off to the nearest 100 and we have to find the sum. Okay, so we will get the estimate value. Okay, ma? Have understood this? So listen, first we can write the solution. So write it solution. Then we have to take the first value. Okay, so first value is what, ma? 3297. Okay, 3297 is rounded to what? Now rounded to the nearest 100, isn't it? So here we have written as 3297 is rounded off 2. So here we are going to round it to nearest what? Nearest 100. So we know that if you want to find out the nearest 100 means what we have to do, we have to focus on the tens place. Okay, we have to focus on the tens place. So in the tens place what we have? Yes, 9 we have, isn't it, ma? 9 we have in the tens place. So we know that what's the first condition, ma? If it is the digit in the tens place having less than 5 means we have to write the number as it is in the 100 place. If in the tens place it is 5, the digit is 5 or more than 5 means we have to add a 1 with the what? With the 100 place. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, so here we have 9. That means what? It is greater than 5. So we have to add a 1 with the 2, that is in the 100 place we have to add 1 and make the zeros. We have to make it 0 in the tens and ones place. So we can write it as so 3299 it is rounded to the nearest 100 as 3300. If you add 1 to the 2 means it will change to 3 and remaining ones and tens place we have to write zeros. Okay, so likewise next number we can write. So 8872 is rounded off 2. So here we have to see the tens place because it is, we are going to round to the nearest 100 now. So we have to focus on what, ma? Tens place. Tens place we have 7. So what's the second rule? If it is 5 or greater than 5 means we have to add 1 to the 100 place values, isn't it, ma? So here we have 8. If you add 1 with the 8 means it will change to 9. So we will get 8900 and the tens and ones place we have to write zeros. Okay, so here we have now rounded to the nearest 100, isn't it, ma? Next we have to add, okay, because they are asked to do what, ma? Sum. We have to estimate the sum, okay, estimating the sum. So we have to add. So we can put the symbol plus in the right side and we can add it. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Next 0 plus 0 is 0. Next 3 plus 9. So we know that we have to keep the bigger number in our mind and take the smaller number in our finger, okay. So 9 in the mind and take it 3 in the finger. So if you add means what is the answer, ma? 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 means we can write the 2 here and the 1 remainder in the next place above. So 1 plus 3, otherwise 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 3 plus 1 is what, ma? 4. So next we got 4. So 4 in the mind, take it 8 in the finger. Otherwise 8 in the mind and take it 4 in the finger. So 8 in the mind, take it 4 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, isn't it? So we got 12. So we can write 12. Okay. So what's our answer, ma? So estimate sum is what? 12,200. Okay. We can write the answer. Plus estimate sum is. Okay. They are asked to estimate the sum. No. So estimate sum is 12,200. Okay. So place the comma at the particular place. Okay. Understood? First we have to write the first number and round off to the 100 means 100, 1000 means 1000. If whatever they ask in the question, as that we have to write it. Okay, ma? And next digit also, sorry, the next number also we round on to the nearest 100 and we have to find the sum. We have to add. Okay, so we will get the estimate sum as what, ma? 12,200. Okay, look at next one. Here they are asked what? Estimate the difference. Okay, estimate the difference. Difference means we know we have to find the subtraction. Okay, we have to minus it, the numbers. Okay, estimate the difference between what are numbers. We have to find the difference 946 and 395 by rounding off to the nearest 100. See once again, estimate the difference between 946 and 395 by rounding off to the nearest 100. Okay, so here like this only, first we can write the first number and round to the nearest 100 and second value also we have to write it and find out the nearest 100. Afterwards we have to find the difference. Okay, we have to minus the two numbers. Okay, so we can write it as the solution. What's the first value, ma? That is 946. Okay, 946 is rounded to. So 946 rounded to nearest 100, no? So what's the 100 place, ma? Here 1's 10's 100. Okay, 9 is 100 place. So if you want to find out the nearest 100 place means rounded to the nearest 100 means we have to focus on the 10's place. Or 10's place what we have? 4. So we have two rules, isn't it, ma? First condition is what? And the condition 1 is in the 10's place, if it is less than 5 means we have to keep the 100 place as it is. Second rule is what? In the 10's place, if you have 5, the digit 5 or more than 5 means we have to add 1 with the 100 place. Okay. So here we have 4. So 4 means what, ma? Condition number 1. So we have to keep the 100 place as it is and make the 1's and 10's as zeros. So we have to write 900. Okay, have you understood this? Because in the 10's place we have 4. That's why we didn't change the 100 place. Okay, we have to keep it the 100 place as it is. Okay, that is digit 9 we won't write and make the 10's and 1's as 0. Then second value is what, ma? 395. Okay, 395 is rounded off 2. So here nearest 100 they are asked, isn't it, ma? So we have to focus on the 10's place. Okay, 10's place what we have? Yes, 9 we have. In the 10's place we have 9. So it will satisfy the second condition. Second condition is the digit in the 10's place having 5 or more than 5 means we have to add 1 to the 100 place value. So if you add 1 with 3 means it will be changed to 400, isn't it? We have to add 1 with the 100 place. So it will be changed to 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 and remaining 1's and 10's place we have to write zeros. Okay, ma? So we got 400. Next they are asked to find out the difference. Okay, difference means minus. We have to subtract. Okay, so we have to put the symbol minus and we can subtract. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is what? 0. Next 0 minus 0 is 0. Next 9 minus 4. So 9 in the mind, take it 4 in the finger. Okay. So 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, isn't it? So we got the answer as 500 now, isn't it? So our estimate value is what ma? 500. If you subtract 946 and 395, the estimate value is 500. Okay. So we can write the answer as, answer is equal to estimate difference. Okay. First question we have written sum, because they asked to write the find out the sum. So we have written estimate sum, but here they asked to find out the difference. So estimate difference is what? 500. Okay, understood this? Next we can move on to the next problem. So children, next problem, third problem is estimate the sum of 1328 and 3469 by rounding off to the nearest 1000. See once again, estimate the sum of 1328 and 3469 by rounding off to the nearest 1000. So here they asked to find out the estimation of what must sum of two values they are given. We have to round off to the nearest 1000, isn't it? So in the previous two questions, we have discussed about what ma to round off to the nearest 100, no. But here they asked to do it to round off to the nearest 1000. So what's a rule? What we have to do? So nearest 1000 they asked means we have to focus on the 100 place value. Okay. So in the 100 place, the digit is less than 5 means we have to keep the 1000 place as it is and make the 100 tens and ones place zeros, isn't it? Suppose if you have the tens place, 100 place, if you have 5 or more than 5 means we have to add 1 with the 1000 place and make the zeros in 100 tens and ones. Okay, so we can do it this. So we can write the solution and write the first value, that is 1328 is rounded off to, so we have to focus on where ma 100 place, that means ones, tens, 100. Okay, 100 place what we have 3. So 3 is less than 5. No, so first condition. So first condition means what we have to do ma, no need to change the 1000 place. Okay, keep it as it is. So we can write the 1000 place is 1 we have, no. So keep the 1000 place as it is and make the 100 tens and ones as zeros. So we have to write zeros in the remaining 3 values, okay, 3 digits. Next number is what ma? 3469 is rounded off to what? See here in the tens place, ones 9 we have, 10 6 we have, 100 place we have 4. So if you focus on 100 place means 4. So it is less than 5. So no need to change the 1000 place. So keep the 1000 place as it is and make the 100 ones and tens places zeros. Okay, and they are asked to find out my estimate the sum. We have to find out the estimating of the sum. So we have to add. So we can put the plus symbol and we can add it. So 0 plus 0, 0. Next 0 plus 0, again 0, and next also 0 plus 0 is there. So we will get 0. So 1 plus 3, that means 3 plus 1. Okay, so 3 in the mind, take it one finger. So what's the answer? 3 plus 1 is 4. So our estimate sum is what ma? 4000. So we can write the answer. Estimate sum is 4000 and we can place the comma. Okay, so estimate sum is what ma? 4000. Have you understood this? So 1000 if they ask means we have to focus on the 100 place. If it is in the 100 place, if it is less than 5 means keep the 1000 place as it is and make the 100 ones and tens place as 0. Suppose in the 100 place if you have 5 or more than 5 means we have to add 1 with the 1000 place and we have to make 0 in the 100 tens and ones place. And if they ask to find the sum means we have to add. If they ask to find the difference means we have to subtract. Okay ma? Look at the next problem. We have estimate the difference between, okay, estimate the difference between 6700 and 5600 by rounding off to the nearest 1000. Okay, nearest 1000. Okay, see once again, estimate the difference. Okay, we have to find the difference between what number? 6700 and 5600 by rounding off to the nearest thousand, like the previous question, third question. Okay, so we can write it. Solution. Then we can write the first value, that is 6700 is rounded of 2. So nearest 1000 means we have to focus on the 100 place, that is 100 place we have 7. So it is more than 5. So we have to add 1 with the 1000 place. So if you add 1 with the 1000 place means 1000 place what we have, 6 we have, isn't it? So 6 plus 1 is 7. So 1000 place it will change to 6 to 7. Okay. And remaining 100 tens and ones place we have to write zeros. Okay. The next. So first one is over. Second digit is what? They given 5600. So 5600 is rounded of 2. So of 2. So here we have 1000 place we have 5 and we have to focus on what? 100 place only. Okay, we have to focus on the 100 place. So 100 place, what's the digit we have? 6 we have. So we know that second condition is in the 100 place, if it is 5 or more than 5 means we have to add 1 with the 1000 place. So 1000 place we have 5. So we have to add 1 with that 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 1000 place it will change 5 to 6. Okay, 5 will change to 6 and remaining 100 tens and ones place we have to write it 0. Okay. So now we rounded off to the nearest 1000. Okay. Next they are asked to find a difference. Difference means we have to find the subtraction. Okay. Minus the number. So we can minus it. 0 minus 0, 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. Next also 0 minus 0 will get 0. 7 minus 6. So 7 in the mind, take it 6 in the finger. So if you subtract 7 minus 6 means it will be 1. So we got the answer as 1000. Okay, so estimated difference is what, ma? 1000. So we can write answer is equal to estimate difference is 1000. Understood? So this much only. Okay, ma'am. And I will give 2 problems as homework. Okay, so do it. And listen, one more thing, we have completed the unit 2. Okay, addition and subtraction lesson is over. So children, study these portions. Okay, ma'am. And also the important thing I informed to you, the next lesson, that is unit 3 is multiplication. Okay, so multiplication means we know it is a repeated addition, isn't it, ma? So first thing you have to know about what, ma? Multiplication table thoroughly. Okay, so study the tables. Already I informed to you to study the tables, isn't it? So I hope somebody studied. Okay, so those cannot study the tables till now, you have to study the tables thorough. With that, so only you can do the multiplication problems very easily. Okay, ma? So study it and we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye. See you. Thank you.